Hi friends, let's learn some interesting stitches today. Select a less thickness silk fabric material. You can use either embroidery thread or sewing thread for this. Let's have a look at the first pattern. You can follow the sketch drawings appearing on the screen. You will have to use a longer needle and a longer thread as shown here. Use a new piece of thread for each row. Stitch the pattern as I am doing here. You can repeat the pattern as many times as you need. Now, pull the thread from a corner without damaging the pattern. Make it 2.5 to 3 times wider than what your pattern calls for. You can pull the thread from both sides and adjust the pattern. If the pattern got tightened, ease it and make it into the same gap. After that, tie up the knots as shown here. Now, let's add beads to the pattern. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss any update. Now, let's take a look at the second pattern. Turn the fabric and start stitching again. Now, let's add beads to the pattern. If you match the colors of the fabric and thread well, you will end up with a splendid pattern. I hope you use this a tiny stitch in some of your own projects, and I hope to see you soon in my new one. So remember to subscribe.